just to recap, seagulls, man. Go. Welcome to another episode of Off the Beaten Pot. Still haven't got a recipe for you. Well, I've got plenty for you, but this video isn't one of them. In fact, it's equally as exciting. It's a two-part thing. Firstly, I'd like to give me a challenge. What would you like to see me cook? Now you can go crazy, you can go simple, you can go bizarre. Basically, leave your comments below telling me what you would like to see me cooking, and then I will do my best to work it out, give it an attempt, and film it as we go. Hopefully between us we can come up with something quite interesting. And tasty would be good. Tasty and interesting. So pick a recipe, one that you wouldn't maybe necessarily associate with outdoors cooking, and we'll see if we can make it. Now with that out of the way, I've also got 500 subscribers competition. Firstly, thank you all so much. It's been amazing that 500 people decide to follow me to see what I come up with next. So to begin with a chance of entering the Trangia 27 with the non-stick pots and pan, also with a little kettle thrown in, then all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to this channel, head over to Instagram or to Twitter, follow me on there and leave me a comment on either Twitter or Instagram on what you would make with your new Trangia. And that's it. So, subscribe to this channel, ding the bell for notifications if you like, then you can keep updated so I can see you in another episode of Off the Beaten Pot. Head over to Twitter or Instagram, give me a follow and write what you would cook with your Trangia. For any of the small print, boring details, make sure you read below in the description. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another episode of Off the Beaten Pot. Cheers and gone.